Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Zoom Workplace app on your Android device using the Google Play Store. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate and tap on the Play Store app on your Android device. This is Google's official app marketplace where you'll find all available applications for your phone. Once the Play Store opens, you'll see various sections and recommendations on the home screen. Now look towards the bottom of your screen and you'll notice a magnifying glass icon. This is the search function that allows you to find specific apps quickly instead of browsing through categories. Go ahead and tap on this magnifying glass icon to activate the search feature. After tapping the search icon, you'll see a text field appear at the top of your screen. This is where you'll enter the name of the app you're looking for. Tap on this text field to bring up your keyboard, then type in Zoom Workplace and hit search. You'll see a list of results appear and Zoom Workplace should be among the top options. Look for the official Zoom Workplace app with the recognizable blue and white Zoom logo, then tap on it to open the app's dedicated page. Once you're on the Zoom Workplace app page, you'll see detailed information about the app, including screenshots, reviews, and features. Right beside the app name, you'll notice a button that says Install. This button is what you'll need to tap to begin downloading the application to your device. Go ahead and tap the Install button now. After you tap Install, the download process will begin automatically. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. Depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the app, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. During this time, the Play Store is not only downloading Zoom Workplace, but also verifying the app for security and preparing it for installation on your device. It's important to stay connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data during this process to ensure the download completes successfully. You'll notice the progress bar filling up gradually, and once the download is complete, the app will automatically begin installing itself on your Android device. Once the entire process is finished, the Install button will change to say Open. This indicates that Zoom Workplace has been successfully downloaded and installed on your device and is now ready to use. Simply tap the Open button to launch the app for the first time. From there, you can sign into your Zoom account or create a new one if you don't already have one. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom Workplace on your Android device, and you're all set to start joining meetings and collaborating with your team. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.